Hi there, how are you? Have you tried broccoli potato pancakes? These ordinary looking tikkis hide a cheesy broccoli center and taste yum. Why only kids? Even grown-ups love to have it. It's a simple recipe. Let's begin. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? I have some boiled and grated potatoes. I'll add in some powdered garlic, season it with salt. Add in some breadcrumbs. Add in some grated cheddar cheese and some mozzarella. Almost forgot the pepper. Make sure that the potato mixture has cooled down completely before you add in the cheese. Time to mix it up. Give it a thorough mix and keep it aside. I blanched the broccoli in boiling hot water and grated half of it, chopped half of it. For the dry spices, coriander powder, cumin powder and some chaat masala powder. I also have chili flakes, garlic powder and black pepper powder. Finely chopped coriander greens. For the broccoli, heat a tiny bit of oil and add in some cumin seeds for tempering. Once they release their aroma, add in finely chopped onions and cook this. The onions have browned nicely. Let's add in the broccoli. Add in all the dry spices at once. Mix it up. That smells real nice. We'll cook it for a minute or two. Season with salt. Add in the coriander leaves and a dash of lime juice. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down completely. Once the broccoli mixture has cooled down completely, add in some mozzarella and some cheddar. Mix it up and keep it aside. Use an ice cream scoop or a ladle to scoop out equal portions of the potato mixture. With the broccoli mixture, I'll just form balls that are smaller in size than the potato balls. Make balls of the entire mixture and keep them aside. Let's get in some breadcrumbs and start making the pancakes. Just flatten out a potato ball. Place a broccoli ball right in the center and just carefully cover with the potato ball. Press it. Let's roll it in the breadcrumbs and just flatten it out slightly. Keep it aside. Similarly, make the rest. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. If you don't want all this fuss, then just mix the broccoli mixture with the potato mixture and shape into cakes. Once they are done, put them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Shallow fry the pancakes on medium heat. till they are golden in color. That's a nice color. Almost done. Yes, they are done. So I'll just take them out. Let's take a look inside. Serve the pancakes hot to get the web of cheese. Enjoy.